friends, I am back with my mini and we are gonna open up a Rainbocorns that she got for her birthday. Now be sure to hit that like and subscribe and comment a heart in the chat. We're so excited. Let me start this off for you. There you go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Now she got this for her birthday and she wants to share it with you. Need help? We're so excited. You got it? All right. Here we go. We're going to see which one we got. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Look at that. Now let's take it out so we can show the camera. If I can get it out. There we go. Can you show it to the camera? Now show the back. There you go. Look at that. Now show the front again. That is so cool. Does this one have a name? Oh, it's Palm. Palm. So cool. Now I want to see what we got inside of the little packet. And we got the stickers. That is so cute. Now here's the other sticker. And last but not least, oh, they're all so cute.
Be sure to hit the like button.
And drop a heart in the comment section. And subscribe for more cutesy toy fun. Bye!